Lost photos? Here's how to recover permanently deleted iPhone photos in 60 seconds. Open Photos, tap Albums, then open the recently deleted album. Tap Select, pick the photos, then tap Recover to restore them. If you use iCloud Photos, check your other Apple devices for the same pictures. Or sign into iCloud.com, open Photos, and check Recently Deleted there. Still missing? Next, try restoring from backups before trying recovery software. To restore an iCloud backup, confirm you have a backup dated before deletion. Go to Settings, tap General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then erase all content in Settings. After the erase, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and pick the correct backup. Or connect to a computer and restore a Finder or iTunes backup if available. If no backups exist, reputable recovery tools may help, but results vary, use caution. Quick recap: recently deleted, other devices, iCloud.com, backups, then recovery tools. Done.